Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how do you find the clipboard on Android device. So this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So first, let's go ahead and open up an app that would use our keyboard. Now for this example, let's go ahead and use Samsung Notes in here. Let's create a new note. Now from here, to access your clipboard, you just have to tap and hold on the screen, and here it shows that there is the clipboard. Now let's tap on that and it is going to show your clipboard from here. So another way to access your clipboard is to tap on the three dots here on your keyboard and tap on clipboard. And here it is going to take you to your clipboard. Alright, so that would be all for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you on the next one.